All right, I have an issue with the Ford Taurus. It's a no start or hard to start condition. It's weird. I'll crank it over, it stops right up, and then other times you'll crank it over, it won't start at all. Go out to the car and see what we can find. It'll crank, but it won't stop. Let's see if it'll do it right now. Now it started right up. All right, so now it's starting up fine. I've run into this problem before with this car. It's just not new. I'm going to do the camshaft sensor. So this is what it looks like. It's just a cover with 2 bolts, electrical plug on that side, and the pickup's actually right inside there. Actually goes right underneath there. It's this piece right here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it well. I doubt you can, but it's right here on the bottom. There's the connector for it, and you got all this wiring for the I don't know, engine or whatever the hell it is. Right on top of it, there's 2 bolts, one on this side, one on the opposite side, and that piece comes out. You can get to it, but you got to play with this wiring harness to get it out of the way so you can get in there. So a socket with a flex on it should be able to get in there. The main issue is this right here, the camshaft sensor pickup. See, here's the old one. When you get it out, you pull the screw up, and then you got to unscrew it out of the housing. And that's it. And then you put it in the new housing, all the way through. There you go. That way the screw don't fall out. What I like to do is clean up the area with some electronic cleaner. All right, everything is in. The cover's on the housing, on the wiring housing. When you move it out of the way, you're gonna break them. I mean, I broke them. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zip tie it right over it and hold them in place. All right, so that's it. You got that harness, that wiring harness in the way, but if you pull that harness out of the way, you can get to it. You need a swivel on your socket so you can angle it in there, but you can get to it and it's not that bad. You will crack the housing that protects the harness. Just zip tie it back together. Oh yeah, I gotta plug the spark plug wires back. That would be an issue. All right, I'm gonna let this car sit because of cranking it and trying to get it to reproduce the issue. I kind of killed the battery a little bit, or I drew down on the battery quite a bit. So I'm gonna let it charge and then the wife can take this to work.